Buzz-off Rein Zebra comes with a sun-reflective colour that helps protect against overheating. The Buzz-off Rein Zebra offers the same protection from flies as the Buzz-off Zebra, but it also has a waterproof and breathable upper to help protect your horse from rain showers. A mesh lining on the waterproof and upper part of the rug helps to maintain the circulation of air underneath the rug. Research has discovered that flies hate the zebra stripes as they find it confusing, and so steer clear. The Buzz-off Rein Zebra provides protection of the body and the neck of the horse, T-bar fastening with snap lock magnetic fastening, a mesh lining to help circulate the air, silk feel lining on the shoulder area, elasticated brow band helps keep the neck in place, leg straps, tail flap, fillet string. The elasticated detachable belly pad ensures that the rug is kept in place at all times, and it also protects the belly of the horse.